friends, welcome. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. My name's Lorenda, and I'm so happy to have you here. Thank you so much for stopping in. It really means a lot to me. And today we're going to do a really easy but fun item. It's great for like gifts for yourself, if you're doing barbecues, all different things. So this is really nice. So if you haven't already done so, hit the subscribe button, and if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. So we are going to turn a Dollar Tree glass cutting board into a beautiful gift or a beautiful piece for any type of entertaining that you're doing. So what we're gonna need is our glass cutting board from the Dollar Tree, and we're gonna be using this backside. And then we need our decal. I have already printed mine and cut it. Now, when you're doing this though, the vinyl that you use with your cutting machine, whether you're using a Cricut, a Brother, a Silhouette, like whatever type of cutting machine you use, but you just want to make sure though that you're using vinyl that has color on both sides, because you're going to be sticking this to the underside of your plate and you need it to be color. All right, so then I also have alcohol. Anytime I put vinyl on something, I use alcohol, a tape measure for this, what size I want my plate to be. So this glass plate is so useful, and it is made to be a cutting board. You can use it as a cutting board. It would be a small one, but if you had like a small little item that you were, cutting, this is good for that. But also you can put like different cheeses on there and, cut them right away. You can even make a small charcuterie board on this. This is big enough, like you can do 3 of the cheese balls will fit on here. And this also you can use as a trivet. So especially like if you're serving coffee or something, you can do something there and then, put your coffee pot or your carafe on there. You can use this as a candle holder, like so many things that you can do with this. So I'm making this for the 4th of July. And I'll probably end up making a couple of these because they're going to be for cheese. And then I'll also probably put like butter on here. And also if you like make your own butter and you do like different types of, herb butter and stuff, super cute for that too. And with it being glass, you can actually like write on it and, then clean it off, right? So maybe you have like a few of these out and for different types of butter and you want to write what it is and then, put it out and then you can clean it. So that's another thing too. I would not put these in the dishwasher after I put vinyl on them though. And again, your vinyl needs to go on your back side because your vinyl is not food safe. All right. So all of that is out of the way, and let's just sort of move our camera over and we will make it. All right. So I have my decal, like I said. Now, if you are wondering how I did this for the red, white, and blue, I just cut little strips of each color, put them together, and then cut over top. And then when I was taking it off of the mat, I put my transfer tape over it before I pulled everything off the mat. And then I weeded everything on my transfer tape so that nothing moved, okay? And so many things you can do. So you want to measure. So for me, I'm going through this inside. So I measured this part and then through here. If you want something in the center, you're gonna measure this area here. So you know how big to make your piece. Again, you need to make sure that you mirror your piece because you are going to be going on here to look this way, okay? So I'm going to just open my little glass tray. And then I'm going to clean it with alcohol. And it's really important that when you put vinyl on things, you do clean it with alcohol first. It will take away all the little, you know, smudges underneath it, but also any oils, debris, anything that's going to keep your vinyl from sticking nicely. So this is super easy. So now I'm just going to take my piece and I'm going to kind of decide where I want it. Now, one thing with these Dollar Tree items, sometimes the little feet don't line up evenly and you have to sort of work between that. Or you can pop the feet off and realign them. And I'm just going to make sure everything is pressed down easily. And as you can see, this project takes no time at all. And now I'm going to just pull this off. Oh, making sure not to lose my pieces because of those little feet. And when your pieces are trying to come up on you, just fold your transfer sheet really, really tight and then pull flat. And that will help to keep everything in place. And here we go. So now we have this nice piece. And look how cute this is. This is so cute. So again, you could use this to put a candle on. You see my car from my picture there through it, but you can put a candle on there. Again, you can use it as a cutting board if you want to. And, you know, for whatever function you're having, you can put something on for that. So like this is so cute for the 4th of July. And I can put like little like desserts on here. I could put cheese on here. I could put butter on here. Like there are just so many things. I could, you know, use these for like little dips, and I could put all kinds of things in here. So super cute, very inexpensive way of, you know, personalizing your get together or giving a personalized gift. So if you are going to somebody's house and you're going to bring something, you can bring this and put it on there. Very cute. But also you're making like a kitchen basket. Super cute. You can do a monogram underneath there for them, and very nice personalized gift. So super easy, super cute, but absolutely beautiful and adorable. So listen, I hope that you guys like it. I hope it was helpful, and I hope that you have a blessed and beautiful day, friends. I'll see you later. Bye.